The immune system is very complex. Its functionality is influenced by all kinds of different factors, some of which are out of your control. But that doesn't mean you can't adjust your lifestyle to support healthy immune function. Today's video is all about how lifestyle choices can impact the functionality of your immune system. But first, there's a free resource linked below that goes into further detail on these lifestyle things that you can change to positively impact your immune system. Check it out after this video. Now, the main things that I recommend really come from just changing your lifestyle. And these sometimes can be difficult, but they're the most impactful and oftentimes the least costly as far as monetary. It's just changing a habit. Once that habit is set in, you're gonna look back in 2 or 4, even 6 months and be like, wow, I can't believe I used to do this and now look what I'm doing now. So understand that it is a process and you have to take it step by step. The first thing to implement is getting more nutrient-rich foods in your diet. Nutrition is what the body needs. Oftentimes, especially in the Western world, we are overfed but undernourished, meaning that we are eating too much food but not enough nutrition. The food that we're eating doesn't have the nutrients our body needs, and that's why we end up being so hungry. We eat more nutritionally rich food, you won't be as hungry as often. It's a cool thing. The second tip is exercise more regularly, moving the body. Now, if it was all about, let's not have any stress to the body at all, then we wouldn't want to exercise. But exercise helps to push our body to get to the next level. There's a thing called hormesis. A little stress, like exercise, allows our body to respond to increase immune system and allows our body to increase hormones, muscle, all these awesome things that happen from exercise. Move the body. No matter what you like to do, whether it's basketball, go running, swimming, lifting weights, whatever it is, move the body. Enjoy life, enjoy the activity that you're doing. Number 3 is limit alcohol. What's interesting is alcohol manufacturers don't have to put the ingredients of the beverages on the beverages. We always talk about, read your list of ingredients, read the ingredients. What's the ingredients? Well, when you pick up a wine bottle or an alcohol bottle, you won't actually see the ingredients. This can be very deceiving. There's been over 70 plus different chemicals approved as preservatives in wine where they don't have to tell you that they're in there. When you think you're drinking something that's only got alcohol in it, understand there's probably other ingredients in it as well. The fourth thing is sleep. Optimize your sleep. This is how your body heals. If you're run down, your body can't recover, it can't heal, you're more likely to suffer from getting colds, flus, having a suppressed immune system. This is not the way to be. Improving sleep changes your life. Move your lifestyle around to optimize your sleep. Early to bed, early to rise. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of great quality sleep and your body will absolutely thank you. The last one is minimize stress. Now, you can't live in a bubble, but oftentimes you can look at how you're perceiving the stress. When somebody cuts you off, instead of, that jerk, oh my God, and then your blood pressure boils up, what about taking it as an exercise of, this is a good test to see if I can just keep my cool. Maybe I'm supposed to slow down. Maybe this person was cutting me off to slow me down. So just having a little bit different perception about what we view as stress can change a lot in your life. Getting to exercise and your immune system. Exercise helps to lower the inflammatory chemicals in your body. It helps to actually raise your white blood cells up. These are a part of your immune system. It helps your immune system actually recognize pathogens. This is all just from exercise, remember. Exercise also helps your body to fight pathogens and even delays aging. This is a good thing. Move your body. Just remember, exercising and making lifestyle changes like this will ultimately make you feel better. Exercising regularly, although not necessarily vigorously, will give you energy, make you feel healthier, and can even provide support to your immune system. While the immune system is incredibly complicated, there are measures we can take to make sure our bodies are prepared against infection and illness. For more on how to exercise and boost your body and brain health, be sure to visit the free resource linked below.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. For more clinical insights on how to improve your wellness every week, make sure to subscribe below.